Let me show you the directory of the certified people. To see the directory of the certified people, you need to go to TOGAF9cert opengroup.org certified individuals. So once you pass the TOGAF exam, your name will also be included in this directory. So in the previous section, in the eligibility requirement, I have said that to appear for the TOGAF Part 2 exam, those who are taking in a stepwise development, they need to pass TOGAF 9 foundation. The moment you pass TOGAF 9 foundation, you will come to this section. You will be listed in the open group site as one member who has passed TOGAF 9 foundation. Then you can take TOGAF 9 certified. If you are appearing for the combined exam, your name will be listed here, right? And if you see this section in the open group site, you will see how many people has been certified till date. I mean, how many people has certified in TOGAF foundation till date, and how many people has been TOGAF certified. So the figure shows 71,263 people are TOGAF 9 certified already, and in the foundation level there are 29,902 people. So the total of all TOGAF certification stands here 101,165 at the moment. So if you need to find someone names who has passed, say for example, after you pass, if you check your name over here and type anything, you will be able to find your name. They are talking about the family name. Based on that, if you give a search, you can put your job title and the certification date. You will be able to retrieve that. Okay, one more thing to mention here is, if you pass the TOGAF certification exam, whether it is foundation or if it is TOGAF certified level 2, then you will get a dashboard like this where you will be able to see or view your certificates. You can see here, if I click this view my certificate, it will take me to my certifications. So when did I pass TOGAF 9 foundation, when did I pass TOGAF 9 certified exam, and then you can directly download your certificate by clicking on this. So I passed on 2017, that's what it is mentioning here. If you go back and if you click on the next one, which is certified, you can see when did I pass the TOGAF certified. So if you pass TOGAF 9.1 or TOGAF 9.2, you will be still awarded by Open Group as TOGAF 9 certified. Okay, I took the 9.1 exam during 2017. So, and you will get all the exam history of your past and everything, every details of it. So that's what is about the directory of certified people section.